No bond for that second suspect charged in that triple homicide in Jupiter earlier this year. Marcus Stewart refused to go before a judge this morning. Detectives said DNA evidence links Stewart to the crime that left 3 people dead. Another man, you may remember, Christopher Vasada, was arrested for these killings back in March. He remains in jail without bond. But as for that man who hosted the Super Bowl party where these shootings unfolded, he spent the morning in federal court. Charles Vorpagel pleading guilty to federal drug and weapons charges. News Channel 5's Alyssa Hyman live for us in the Jupiter neighborhood with a significant role Vorpagel could play in this triple murder trial. Alyssa?
Well, Shannon, federal prosecutors say Vorpagel was dealing guns and drugs from inside his Mohawk Street home, while his charges are unrelated to the murders. They say, and we do know now, that he will be a key witness. Charles Vorpagel was arrested back in February, just a few days after 3 of his guests were gunned down in the backyard of his home. When police searched the home for clues, they discovered guns, drugs, and ammunition, which federal prosecutors say he was dealing from inside the home.
Mr. Vorpagel, do you have any comment?
No comment.
His father stayed silent, leaving the federal courthouse Wednesday after his son pled guilty to 2 of the charges against him. It was part of a plea agreement with the government.
Sentencing is going to be postponed, and certainly it will be taken into account if he cooperates in any other proceeding, including this state case.
Well, Vorpagel is not charged with the murders. News Channel 5's legal analyst Michelle Suskauer says he will likely serve as a key witness in the murder case.
His safety may be in jeopardy, which is why there's a request to get him away from any potential defendants, any other witnesses, and move him to possibly the federal detention center in Miami to keep him safe and secure while his sentencing is pending.
And that is why Vorpagel's defense attorney asked the judge today to have him moved and kept in Miami to keep him away from the now 2 murder suspects. Reporting live tonight in Jupiter, Alyssa Hyman, WPTV News Channel 5.